Are we going to start coding automation from?
Yeah, maybe it may take some time. Let me complete all another 1 week around. Yeah. Hi friends. Good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Just in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Let me start. Yesterday we covered about. Have you remembered, right? Walama concept. What is the purpose of Walama? In a single word, anyone can you please tell what is the purpose of Walama?
To run on local infrastructure.
Yes, friends. Walama. What is the purpose of Walama?
Run AI model.
To
On local
download and
infrastructure.
run AI models. To download and run AI models in our local system, some software must be required. That software is nothing but Walama.
Yes.
Okay, remember that. So by using Walama, we can pull AI model. We can run AI model. Yes, so these things are applicable by using Walama. Walama. So can I use the word Walama is AI model?
No.
No,
Walama is an AI model? No.
No, sir.
Walama is a tool. Walama is a software. So which is the responsible to download and run AI model? Okay, like that. So next, am I installed Walama in my local system or not?
Yes.
Yes, Walama is there in my local system. I did already. But sometimes, okay, high-end models I require to run. Then my local configuration, my laptop configuration may not enough. Okay. Then we require to go forward. Okay. In the cloud, we can rent a GPU. We can rent it. We can create a virtual machine instance. There we can run Walama. Whatever we did in our local mission, the same thing we can do. Okay. In the cloud platform. Okay. Like that. So happily we can do that. What is the biggest advantage is in my local system, just suppose assume that 1 hour high-end GPU, high-end system must be required. Just for 1 hour. Just for 1 hour requirement, is it required to buy permanently? Is it required to buy hardware permanently? Meaningless, correct, right? Meaningless. That's why happily you can rent, you can create a virtual VM instance, okay, in the cloud storage, in the cloud, and happily you can use that whatever your requirement, right? Okay. So to run AI models, I choose one wonderful third-party cloud storage. What is that? Anyone can you please tell? In the last session I told.
Mass compute.
Master compute. Okay. Master compute. Okay. There, that is the platform. It is going to provide n number of okay infrastructure. So NVIDIA GPUs like so with our required configuration, we can create virtual machine instance. Okay. Once that virtual machine instance is ready, and then we require to talk about Walama installation. Next and after that, after Walama installation, okay, Walama download and installation on that virtual machine. In the local machine, what we did? The same thing we require to do in the cloud virtual machine instance. I hope everyone in a position to understand my terminology.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone coming from the software background only, right? So non-programmer, something like me, no one is there, right? I don't know because I told right long days before I worked at my childhood I worked, but now I'm not working. Okay, so the people who are not coming from the technical or otherwise programming background, don't worry at all. Even I too, currently my knowledge is also zero. You can understand very easily. But terminology is very important. Instead of using my local computer, so in the cloud, I'm going to create my own virtual machine. Okay, that's VM instance. And there, what I did in my local machine, download Walama, install Walama, by using that Walama, download AI model, and then, okay, run that AI model. The same activities happily we can do on that virtual machine instance. Is it okay, right?
Sir, I have a question for you.
Everyone in the position to understand.
Yes.
Yeah, someone
Sir,
is
I have a
asking that.
question.
Yeah, Rajiv, please.
we already downloaded Olama in our local system, right?
Yes,
Again,
correct.
why to download in that cloud, that virtual system?
What is the problem with my local system?
We have low RAM or
Very low RAM,
low
all these
features.
things are there. So Olama downloaded in my local system, where it is available? In my local system, it is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now what I want to do, don't use this local system, create so a system in the cloud, and there you can do all activities. Okay, for my local system demo purpose, I downloaded here. But now I'm not using this system. I'm using cloud system. Assume that I'm creating my own laptop in the cloud. Okay,
Directly
so
we can do that only, no, sir.
directly
Directly we can do it in the cloud only, no, in the virtual machine only, no.
there only. Now I don't want to download Olama in my local system now. Rajiv,
So my question is, without downloading Olama in our local system, can we directly run in the virtual system only?
you run only virtual system. In the virtual system, suppose one laptop is ready, I gave one laptop. But to run AI model, Olama must be required, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even it is a cloud-based virtual machine also. On that also, Olama must be required. It's also
Yes, sir.
separate computer, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why download Olama and then run that Olama, install that Olama. Next, by using that AI model, all the remaining story is the same. Getting Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the remaining people also just what we did in our local mission, the same activities we require to do in the cloud mission. Assume that in the cloud we are going to create a laptop. There we are not going to use the word laptop. We are always going to use the word VM instance. Remember that. What is that? Can you please confirm?
VM instance.
VM instance, right? Okay, like that. So to run high-end, to run AI models, GPU must be required. Okay, because it's a required huge computing power. Huge computing power. That's why GPUs must be required to run AI models. Okay, like that. So whenever you are creating virtual machine instance, compulsory you require to provide which model, okay, which GPU, okay, what is the RAM size? If it is the GPU, we are going to use one special word, not RAM. If it is the GPU related, we are always going to use one word, VRAM concept applicable for the GPU. Normal RAM concept applicable for the CPU, right? Okay, like must be required. So what we have to do is, let me create one virtual machine instance. That's about my requirement. Okay. So suppose you bought one laptop, man. You bought one laptop. Compulsory, once you bought, you require to install your required software or not?
Yes.
Yes, man. Okay. First Windows or otherwise Linux operating system must be required. And then if it is the Java related software you require to install, or Python related software you require to install, IDEs, all those things we require to install. Then only it will become useful. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So just only with the GPU, only with the CPU, okay, virtual machine is ready. But I require to install softwares, right? Okay. So web UI, I'm going to use Open Web UI. Have you remembered for which purpose I used the one word Open Web UI concept? So AI model we can run from the terminal. We can use from the terminal. But I want UI for my AI model. Okay, look and feel UI look and feel I require to provide for UI model. Okay, for my AI model. For that, Open Web UI must be required. Have you remember, right? In the last session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, Open Web UI is going to run on Docker. Is going to run in the Docker. Remember this one. Okay, compulsory in the VM, in the VM, Docker must be required or not?
Yes, sir.
Ayyo, a bit technical, more complex kind of thing. Don't worry at all, nothing. Okay, so Docker must be required. Olama must be required. AI model is required. Okay, like all these, a big setup is there. We require to do that. Then only that VM, by using that VM, we can run our AI model. Okay, like that. But today, what I will do is, let me create VM instance. Up to that, I want to create. Okay, up to that. Okay, configuring that VM instance, I will take care in the remaining part. Don't worry at all. Up to this, is it okay, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Docker
So
means
first step.
software, sir.
Which one?
Docker means software.
Yes. It's a container.
Okay.
Software only. Okay. So what will happen is in the something like a container, special container where softwares are going to run. Okay. Web UI, Open Web UI is going to run in the Docker. That Docker we record install where? In our cloud
Virtual
in the
machine.
virtual
Yes,
machine
yes.
instance.
Yes,
Okay,
got
like
it,
that.
got it.
So now my requirement is very simple, sir. Let me go for master compute website. Okay, here master compute website. If you want to log in, okay, sign up must be required. Just compulsory you require to provide at least $5 we require to add. Then only it is allowed those. Otherwise, creating VM instance, I told right, with the GPUs creating VM instance, it is taking per hour how much? $2.19 or something like I showed right for a particular model. Model to model, the cost is going to be changed. If low configuration, low cost. High configuration, high cost. By default will be there anywhere right there. So our requirement compulsory $5 we require. But anyway, if you are interested, you can add and then you can do. Otherwise, just get the basic idea. But in AWS or Azure, okay, in GCP, creating VM instance, more or less the same thing only. Okay, like the people are already working in the cloud platforms, then you people can understand very easily. But the remaining people, just the new members like me, yes, we require to check step by step. Is it okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I hope slowly the terminology I'm going to introduce today. My requirement is just create virtual machine instance. Next, connect to that virtual machine to perform required configurations. That's it. This is about my first step. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, what I'm trying to take, master compute, correct, right?
Yes.
Those are master compute, correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Master compute, master compute like this I'm taking. Then immediately there is a website is there named with, what is that website name? Anyone can it is read?
Mastercomputer.com.
Master compute. Rent NVIDIA cloud GPUs on demand. Are you getting what is their title is? Rent NVIDIA cloud GPUs on demand. Okay, on demand. NVIDIA cloud GPUs on demand. Let me go to this one.
Sir, we can call this as a like IaaS, right? Infrastructure as a service.
Service, yeah, the
Yes.
same.
Yes.
It's free, sir.
Yes, friend.
It is a free master
Which
compute.
one? No, you require to pay hourly basis. Okay.
Okay.
So here just observe that this is login, pricing, all these things are there. If you want, you can cross check. Based on the instance, the pricing by default will be there. Based on the instance, by default will be there. Okay. Like RAM, like 47. Okay, like it's going to be there. It's go per hour. All these prices are per hour. Okay. Like so what I will do is just get started. Like is there. Okay, like so you can, if you are going to use the word get started, then obviously create your account, okay, your name, password, and then confirm password, accept terms and conditions, create account. Any doubt about this one?
No.
That's all clear, right?
No,
Next,
sir.
once
Yes, sir.
you log in, how it looks like? 1 minute. Let me provide my credentials because here a bit secured some other person's credentials I'm using. That's why. Just wait for a minute. Okay. I'm trying to log in. Don't worry. Just after login, what you are going to see, I will explain username and password. Let me check here. Yeah.
Sir, yesterday I was just filling the application form, sir, for the
1
job.
minute, have a look once. Later we will talk, Rajiv. First observe. Here observe that carefully. Okay. So this is about the master compute once login. This is the thing you people are going to get. Okay, just like it is a cloud platform. Are you seeing right? So
Yes.
browse, deploy, Docker, my instance, billing, MCP. Okay, MCP. Next and after that, GPU finder, documentation, dot. There is something is there. After login, this is the look and feel you are going to get. So what I require to do is, am I required to create an instance or not? Can you please confirm? What is
Yes,
our
sir.
job? I require to create an instance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that.
Yes.
So what I will do is, let me go for my instances. Okay, the people who require, if you want, you can take the steps. Okay, my instances, like we have to take. Yeah, no running instances. Okay, no running instances right there. What I have to take? Deploy an instance. Just let me add. Deploy an instance. Okay. Now, once you deploy an instance, okay, like now here see this one, GPUs. Okay, automatically once you are going to select GPU, automatically CPU is also will come. Next, which type I'm taking those some? RTC. Okay, RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell 96 GB. This is the GPU type I'm selecting. So this type of GPUs, how many you require? Okay, one is enough. One is enough. If you want, you can take 1 or 2, something like you can take any number. Okay, one is enough. Okay, like so this is the GPU type model. Next and after that, how much RAM by default will be there? Okay, like any doubt up to this one? Model GPU type. Okay. So next quantity, how many GPUs you require? Only one. Clear, right? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, category is there. Okay, here, base, if we are going to take, just Ubuntu by default, you are going to get. Just normal system by default, you are going to get, man. Ubuntu like, boss, a bit advanced version must be required for me. Because I want to run AI models. Okay, a bit advanced. That's why, don't take base. We require to go for creator, like multiple options are there. Let me choose, okay, base, creator, bootstrap, courses, like multiple. Creator, just I'm selecting. Okay, creator. Okay, like that. Next, so means, okay, creator. So here, do you know, there is one small important point is there for you people, just observe. Suppose in my virtual machine, I want Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the operating system, Ubuntu. In that virtual machine with Ubuntu, let me provide some softwares also. Okay, some to run AI models, general required softwares, next to Docker. Okay, if someone is already installed, my life will become very easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Press conference. Our life is already it will become very easy, right? We are not required to install all those things, right? That's why. So creator, if you are going to do, yes. So this image, the sample required softwares already created by someone. Already created image is there. You can use that image directly. That is the meaning of creator. Okay. So which person created image you want to use? Okay. Here, multiple persons are there. Just have a look once, man. Image. Which person? Matthew Berman is this person, man. Okay, artificial and open source and so on. Okay, like there is one person is there. Of course, all these people. Okay, like there is one person is there. Pahad Mirza. Okay, like so do you know Pahad Mirza learn AI cloud DevOps databases, become a better cloud engineer is the based in Australia. Like so, I'm going to use this one. So if I use this creator image, the required softwares already there. We are not required to install separately. That's the meaning of this. Okay, like any doubt about this one? The people who are working in the cloud, Linux area, admin related, what is the meaning of image? Like you can understand. Correct, right? Ayo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends.
Yes,
So
friends.
simple. Don't feel that image is nothing but this person image. Image is nothing but this person image. Don't feel like okay. The photo is not image. Image means okay. Image means do you know the required softwares? Okay, this version of softwares must be required. Okay, like automatically all those things by default available to our virtual machine. Is it okay, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What softwares are there in that, like as
Uh,
part of that EMI? What
they,
you have any
yes.
mentioned? It's mentioned.
No. So we can check. Okay, with this person, what kind of softwares are there? Like yes, Docker is by default available there.
Docker is.
Okay,
Okay.
Docker.
Sir, why they are having the person's name?
Just because those images are creator provided images, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
He made it like public available.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, my doubt is in Docker directly have a Olama image.
No.
We can directly pull. Not there.
We have to install.
Okay.
We require. Okay, by default it won't be available.
You are doing first creating VM. After that, on top of Docker, you need to install a Olama. Correct?
Olama and Docker both are different. Okay. Olama is a separate software. Docker is a separate software. Why I am using the Docker is for my AI model, UI I want to provide. Correct, right? Yesterday I showed UI I require to provide. Okay, just like our chat GPT look and feel. I want to provide for my AI model. Okay, for that, there is one software I required. What is that software? Anyone can you please remind once?
Open Web UI.
Open Web UI. Open Web UI to run that Docker is required. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arif. So
Yeah.
Docker is required for to run Open Web UI. For that purpose, Docker is required. Okay.
GUI,
Olama is required to download and run AI model.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it.
So that's why both are different components. Okay. Yeah,
Thank you,
I will explain in detail in the next session. But as of now, today, how you can create instance, how to connect with that thing must be required.
Sir.
After this, okay, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah, friend.
Sir,
Someone is asking the doubt.
Yes, sir. Sir, that image thing, can you please explain once again? I didn't get actually.
Yeah. Simple. The people who are not coming from the programming background, just aware. I mean, cloud platform. The people who are not having idea, just aware that. Suppose what will happen is, I want so and so configuration mission. Okay, like configuration means you are talking about how much storage is required, how much memory is required, which RAM is how much size, and so on. You can tell. Up to this, okay, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next thing, what will happen is in your system. Okay, in your system, which softwares are required? Sir, 3 software, so and so 3 softwares are required. An image is already there. Okay, something like CD-RAM is there. If we are going to keep automatically all those softwares by default available in your system. Okay, some Durga created an image with 3 softwares. Okay, on that system. Some Ravi created 4 softwares. Okay, 4 software installation on that system. So another person created some 5 software tools available on that system, like multiple people created image like that. So I want only the required softwares are only 3. Then automatically, okay, which image you require? Okay, system, okay, configurations, all these things. So softwares you require to install. Which softwares you require to install? Okay, so Durga provided one image. Okay, those softwares are enough. Can you please use Durga provided image? Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
And sir, we can additionally install our own softwares?
Yes, definitely. Okay,
Okay,
Karthik,
Yes, sir.
simple. So Durga already the installations, all the steps and so on. Okay, he provided for 3 software installations. Okay, some Java is required, Python is required, Docker is required. Durga provided these 3. Okay, some Ravi All these three, MySQL also he provided. Okay, another person may provided 5. So which image you require? Okay, like that is what to make some softwares available in our VM, we require to choose image. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, at very top level information.
Okay.
Okay, if you install, if you install operating systems on your own Linux or Windows at our childhood, once upon a time we did at our childhood, then image with the image I can take, like you may heard about this type of terminology. Even you don't know nothing, you are not required to worry, just aware to make some softwares available in our VM, we require to choose the image. Okay,
Yes,
up
we
to that.
can consider it like a template.
Yes.
So every time instead of downloading the softwares on Linux, we will save the template and reuse the template for creating new machines.
Exactly. So something like a template. The template provided all the softwares, whatever the things we provided, make it available in this virtual machine. Like,
Yes, sir.
yeah, got it. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, Volema web UI is also an image or what, sir?
no, that is those things may not available as a part of image. We require to install separately. Okay, that how to install those things I will explain. There is no image which contain Volama, which contain web UI. Okay, we require to install separately. Getting, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, now what I will do is, there is one, if you feel comfortable up to this, there is one important step is there, I will explain. Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
We selected the model. Next, how many instances of GPU is required? One instance only is enough for me. Next and after
Sir,
that,
I'm sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. But here this case is only for use of VM is only for the Olama model, or yesterday I faced using Maple model. Also, very lag was there when I was using Maple
okay.
ChatGPT. Like that. Even that I have to use in VM.
That thing, open source models only available to use, because we are making AI models available to our local machine. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Those things should be provided by, okay, if it is the open source model, then only we are allowed to use.
Okay.
Okay, not suppose ChatGPT people are there, OpenAI people. OpenAI people, company value is $1 trillion. So they never going to expose in what way they implement those AI models. Sorry, you can download and you can use. There is no such type of thing. Or otherwise, sample sake, one low level AI model they may provide. Getting? Rajiv?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So up to this is the clear, right? What I'm talking. So just have a look once what I selected up to this. So this is the model. Okay. Next one quantity is enough. Next one after that creator. I can get a creator. Which person image I'm taking? Sir. Yes. Fahad Mirja. Next. Very important. Just can you read this one, dosto?
SSH key.
SSH key. Okay. Now I have one small doubt. Where my virtual machine is available?
In that cloud.
In the cloud.
Yeah.
Cloud. Maybe that cloud platform available somewhere in the US or Mumbai or somewhere, I don't know that. Okay, like that. Now my question is, from where I require to access that virtual machine? From my local computer, from my laptop. Correct, right?
From local.
Yes.
Yes,
From
yes.
laptop, we require to connect to the server, and by using we can access that virtual machine. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
In that virtual machine, our
Right.
required AI model is going to run and so on. Forget about next step. But now my question is to connect from my laptop to that virtual machine. SSH, secured connection
You
must be
need
required or
SSH
not?
key.
Yes.
So we
Yes,
require to
socket.
have public key, private key, handshaking. At our childhood, somewhere we may heard about this type of terminology. సరే ఏం సార్ ఇవన్నీ ఇన్ని ఉన్నాయి అంతా ఏం సార్ ఇదంతా ఏనా డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఐడియా సేక్ ఓన్లీ ఐ ప్రొవైడింగ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఓకే లైక్ సో జస్ట్ హ్యాండ్ షేకింగ్ మోడ్ we require to use there is a public key, private key, SSH public key, SSH private key. We have some kind of thing, correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, public key
Yes.
we require to provide in the virtual machine. Okay, public key, any person is available in the public key, we require to provide in the virtual machine. Private key is the secure to access. Okay, compulsory this private key must be required. Then only my virtual machine is going to allow to connect to that. It is going to perform authentication kind of thing internally. Public and private key, by using that combination, we are going to do authentication. The server is going to do that authentication. Okay, that's why. So two keys must be required. What is the first one?
Public key and private.
Public key. Second one? Private key. Public key where we have to keep? In the virtual machine. Virtual machine. Private key where we require to keep? On the local machine, client side, we require to maintain private key. Whenever you are trying to connect with the virtual machine, you require to pass which key?
Private key.
Private key. Virtual machine is going to validate this private key over provided public key. If this combination is valid, then only you are allowed to connect to that virtual machine. Okay, so SSH concept, for which purpose we require? What is the main purpose of SSH, right?
Login to
handshake.
Okay, to connect from our laptop, to connect our
Local
laptop to
system.
the virtual machine in secured way. For that, okay, SSH must be required. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
don't move too much technical terminology. You are not required to worry at all. Okay, just aware that thing must be required. Then my requirement is, sir, who is going to provide SSH, private key and public key? In the olden days, we have some mechanism in there to generate those things, but these days we are not required to worry at all. Okay, just simply ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you please provide one public private key? Okay, SSH key pair combination for me, because I'm going to use somewhere else. Okay, like that. If you can ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT itself is going to create that. Getting right?
Yes.
బయటికి వెళ్ళి తాళం కొనకరాటమేనా? Just going to the shop and then buying one key. In the shop, Kirana shop, the keys are available, right? you are going to get the key, man. So the key you are going to keep, the lock you are going to keep there to the virtual machine. Whenever you are going there, open that key with the lock. These two things should be matched, correct, right?
Sir, keep the key safe.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what I want to do is where I require to provide. Can I generate a public and private key combination?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Who is the responsible to generate?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. I can ask the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you please generate like that? Okay. Don't get confused. Simple. I will repeat again. You can understand very easily. Okay. There is
That lock and key combinations are example, and it's much more helpful to remember.
Yeah. Not getting. Can you repeat?
The lock and key example, that's much more helpful to remember it. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Just I'm asking, can you please observe that? What is the command? What is the prompt I'm providing? Which prompt I'm providing?
Just create an SSH key pair,
create an
and send it as
SSH
a
key
zip
pair
file.
and send it as a zip file. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you please create a SSH key pair and send it as zip file? Okay, like that. Yeah. Perfect.
Sir, send it where, sir?
Here
when you
only
say
it is
pair,
going to be, it's going to be provided as the downloadable zip file. Don't worry.
sir, when you say pair, it will understand the public and private, then it will create, right?
Yes. Have you observed, right? Are you seeing? Then I created a new ED, something like a key pair containing. So private key is there and the public key is also there. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Raju, where to send? You are not required. Download. Now can you please download this zip key pair? Like, is it okay, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what I want to do? Yes. So let me download this one.
The key is already visible, no, sir. See?
Where is the key? Where you are seeing the visibility?
That's the format, not key.
That is the file.
So internally it
right?
encrypted.
Ah.
Okay.
So
Just-
can you just observe that? What is 25519? Correct, right? Just
Yes.
some number 25519. Just remember that. Key pair 1.
ED 25519.
Key pair 1 like that. Let me go to my D drive. Here multiple things are there just for my practice. Are you seeing this one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one, right? ED
Yes, sir.
2551, key pair 1. Okay, like that. Let me extract this one. It is the zip file. Let me extract all. Yeah, folder got created. Okay. So this one only, right? Dosto.
Yes, sir.
This is the folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, if you want, just let me go to the D drive. And what is the folder name? This one only. Let me click that. Then how many files are there?
2 files.
2 files are there. One file is, first file is
Public and
key.
private.
The second one, first one is the private, the second one is the public, it seems. Okay, anyway, I will open that.
Yes,
so it's
sir.
a file.
Yeah, that is
okay,
correct.
let me open this one by using Notepad. Open with. How much knowledge we are getting? Have you observed? This one is the private key. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one is the private key. చిన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ నేను జస్ట్ ఐ హార్డ్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ మ్యాన్ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో రియల్లీ ప్రాక్టికల్ బిలీవ్ మీ లక్కీలీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఐఎమ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్
Multiple times we are using that in Git, but today I means actually know the knowledge like why we are using it by that example.
Yes, good, excellent. Yeah, here just have a look once. Okay, now the first one is a private key, the second one is the public key. I told right, public key. Let me open the public key. Okay, this is the public key. Are you seeing right?
Yes, sir.
Dosto, are you seeing the public key generated by ChatGPT is also there? Is it a public key, right? Okay, well, just aware this one. So up to this, what I did, am I created VM instance? As of now, no, because to create VM instance, compulsory SSH information also I required to provide or not?
Yes.
Just I selected required hardware and image, and then I required to provide SSH information also. Let me go to that.
Master compute.
Yeah, here master compute is there. Okay, like now select SSH key is there. Okay, like let me check. So these are my created keys. Don't worry at all. There is one option is there. Are you seeing what is this option? Add
SSH key.
Yeah, add
SSH
SSH
key. Okay, like that. Okay, name and public key. Name and public key. Name, okay, something like Durga 2 I'm taking.
Durga pub.
Durga 2. Okay, like
You can put
public
pub,
key.
sir. So then we
Pub.
can separate
Okay.
like a pub.
Yeah.
Durga _pub.
So this is the public key. Okay, don't feel that pub. Okay, next next public key. Where the public key is available with me? Have you remembered, right? Just now I opened this one, right?
Yes.
Oh, respond. This is the public key. Let me provide this public key. Now add key. The key name must contain
Sir,
letters, digits, and spaces means underscore is not allowed. Okay, Durga, just pop like I took. Next, what I required to do, add key. That's it. So just I added key. Now this Durga pub automatically it came in the list or not? Please confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I selected this one. I selected this. Okay, that's all. So have a look once, man. Which model you require? How many instances, how many quantities of GPU is required? Next category, creator category I'm selecting. So and so person image I want. Okay, like that. So this person, databases, DevOps, cloud, all these. So maybe related softwares, maybe you made it available. Okay, like that. Now, can you just confirm, do you have any discount coupon is there? Next, environment variable, value, and so on. These kind of things, as of now, not required. Startup command. Okay, like all these things are not required. So, which hardware you are using, dosto? Okay, which hardware we are using, so and so model. So, vCPU. So, VRAM is a 96 GB RAM I'm using. Next, vCPU or RAM, 16 to 144. Storage, 725. Image, okay, so and so person image I'm using. Next, how much is the cost per hour?
2.19.
2.19 deploy.
Sir, while we select that image, how can we know that which softwares are there in that image?
Yeah, there may be option will be there. Okay, there definitely will be the option will be there. Or otherwise, in the documentation, master compute documentation, we can find.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now, what is this one? Can you please observe that? Initializing. Okay, with our required configurations, it's going to be initializer.
Sir, here payment completed.
Payment already I added at the beginning only.
Okay.
$5. Okay, now my question is, my VM instance is going to be ready or not?
Yes.
Yes, maybe initialization is happening, and then we require to wait until it is becoming into the running state. Compulsory, it should come into running state. Then only it is acceptable.
$2 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು.
Getting right?
Yes, sir.
It should come into the running state. Still in initializing only. Okay, it's almost ready. Let me refresh this one. Let me refresh this, but still initializing only. How much GB RAM GB? How much? 96 GB. Okay, just I require to show. So that's why I can rent a GPU from here. So if I buy this one and then to do that, lakhs of rupees must be required, man. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, in that specification, we can see 144 GB RAM.
Yes. There is a list. If you are going to see the list, then there is a bigger thing by default. All possibilities are there. In the specs, 16 vCPU, 144 GB RAM. 144 GB RAM is CPU RAM. Getting
Okay.
CPU RAM.
Yes, sir.
725 GB storage. Yes.
Sir, after usage, if we stop is enough or like we need to delete this instance, sir?
Stop.
Yes. We need to stop or delete. Otherwise,
stop or
it
delete.
will.
Otherwise,
our money
automatically it's
delete.
going to be continued. So now, can you please confirm, is it running state or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my VM instance is running, man. Believe me, all these things are big nightmares for me. Okay, అంతా ఏందో ఇవన్నీ చెప్తుంటారా ఏంట్రా వై ఇవన్నీ VM ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయమంటాడు అవి. Now we have clarity.
Yes, sir.
Practically, you
Yes, sir.
people
In
are
the
saying,
cloud,
right?
it will come that instant.
In the
instance
people
and
who are
everything, the
already
terminology.
working, the people who are already working in the cloud, no problem. Their common activity. The people who don't know about cloud, yes, this is the way. Okay, like how much easy, man. Earlier, do you know, buying high-end laptops, buying, do you know, high-end computers is the very common. How much configuration? that much worthy laptop, that much worthy desktop like that. But these days, no one is going to worry about our laptop configurations or desktop configurations. Array, or dabba, or browser, or mouse. These things are enough. Okay, what it means is one box, maybe desktop or laptop, one browser, and a mouse. By default is enough. Okay, all the required configurations, required softwares, everything where we are going to use
Cloud.
Cloud.
Cloud will
cloud,
Master Computer.
AWS, Azure, GCP like that. Sir, to use
GCP,
GPU's
yes.
concept, don't choose AWS. Okay, the same GPU, if you want to create in the AWS, now how much is the cost here in the master storage, master compute? $2.19. $2.19. Almost
Yes.
$27 per hour if I use AWS cloud.
Very costly.
Very costly. That's why not
But sir,
recommended.
GCP is the open source, right? So can you try,
No, GCP is not open source, man.
sir?
Google Cloud Platform.
Yes, sir.
There also it's a paid service only, man.
Some trial.
Yeah,
Maybe
paid, but compared to AWS, it will be little. Yes.
maybe, but it's a paid only. But even for this also, it is going to be more only. Believe me. Okay, GPUs are. That's why. Do you know why array tokens are limited? Why token cost is coming? Why subscription cost is coming for AI models? Now are you in a position to understand?
Yes.
Sir, you mean to say like installing the Olama in the
Forget about Olama. I
cloud-
don't know about
cloud
Olama, all
platforms?
these things. Related to VM, any doubt? Please let me know.
Yeah.
So
I
in
mean,
Azure, it is
master compute is cheaper than the AWS or the Azure, you mean to say?
Correct.
Yes.
That's what.
Yes. That's why
You are creating virtual
taken
machine, right? We
NVIDIA.
created virtual machine with 96 GB, right?
Yes, sir.
96
Yes.
GB we created virtual machine, right? To create this virtual machine, to maintain this virtual machine in the AWS cloud or Azure or otherwise GCP is more costly.
Sir, if they are charging that much high, they might be producing. They might be giving us some extra service, right?
Extra service sometimes maybe for brand sake. Brand sake.
Only for the brand we are paying.
Sometimes, most of the times. If you are taking 20 rupees, Kinley water bottle, just very recent I went to ITC Kakatiya, just some meeting. Just we ordered one water bottle, man. Same Kinley water bottle they provided. How much is the cost? 1 liter Kinley water bottle, how much is the cost?
20 rupees, sir.
20 rupees. In the
outside
bill,
20.
in the bill, they charged 150 rupees. Same water bottle.
Yeah,
Nothing.
depends on place we are going.
Sir, you went to ITC Kakatiya, so that is the reason.
That's what I'm telling. Okay. Sometimes for branding also we require to provide. Okay. Well, come back to our story. Now up to this, what happened? My VM is ready or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayo, VM is ready. Where VM is ready? In master compute cloud platform is ready. Now, connect to that. To connect to that, what thing must be required? First, that VM is running on what IP address? IP address must be required.
Yes.
Then only we can
Yes, sir.
connect, right? IP address must be required, right? Okay. Now here have a look once.
Yes.
So it's running. Are you seeing somewhere here one tab named with the here these are 3 tabs. Anyone can you please read this? Details, stop, and the delete. Okay. What the details? Okay, details. Now observe. Login URL. If you want to log in to this one, to this. So this is. Next username. What is the username? With what username you can log in? What is the username? Ubuntu. Next, what is the password? Password is there. It is not displaying. Here you can copy, or otherwise if you use this one, you can see that. Okay, you can see the password also. Okay, like that. So if you want to log into this, compulsory this username and password must be required. Okay, like next, how much is the cost? How much is the cost?
$2.
2.19. 2.19. So from in which region? Okay, this one is coming, man. US East region, this one is coming. Okay, this VM is currently hosted where? In the US East. Okay, like so already how much time already it is in running state? 7 minutes.
7
Is it going to be charged or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now my question is, I want to connect to this virtual machine. Some people in real time, most of the people are going to use putty, or from the command prompt also you can use by using SSH. Possibility is there. SSH, we can connect, or otherwise by using putty also we can do that. Let me go to putty is a small software tool which can be used to connect with the remote computers.
Local to remote.
Local to remote. The people who are working in companies, you can aware. Okay, even you don't know, don't worry. Just from the command prompt, I'm going to run the show. Okay. So now let me open command prompt. Okay. To connect with that, SSH must be required or not? SSH private key must be required to pass or not? Please
Yes.
confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do is, where my SSH private key is there.
Locally.
Okay. 1 minute in my, let me go to that folder. Let me go to, what is the folder name? Anyone remember?
25191.
This folder, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
folder, right?
Sir, in note
Yes.
This is the folder, right? Okay.
Yes.
Well, what you require to do, let me open the command prompt and go to this location. D drive in this folder location, because private key is available here only. Okay. What I will do is, let me go to this location. If you want a shortcut way, just here CMD. Now command prompt is going to be open. Okay. I'm currently in the same location or not? Can you please observe that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, well, what is the next thing I require to do this? I want to connect to this virtual machine instance by using SSH. Okay. What is the command we require to use, man? Anyone remember? SSH -I
and then IP address.
and then IP address. Yeah.
Username @ IP address.
Username @ IP address, right? SSH. But compulsory private key I require to pass or not? Please confirm. Private key compulsory I require to pass or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is the private key is available? Here only, right? In this folder only, right? In this folder, what is the file name? What is the file name? First file, ID, ED, and so on. Correct, right? This is the file name, right? What I will do is, okay, yeah, this is the name of the file where the private key is available. Just we require to pass. And then, what is the username, dosto?
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu IP address must be required. What is that IP address? Where I have IP address? Here, right?
Yes.
Copy IP address like, wow. Wonderful, man. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. SSH -I. So what is this one? Anyone remember this? What is this one? Anyone remember? Private key. In this file, private key. There is SSH private key. This is the username. Can you please connect to this IP address with this username like that? Okay, well.
Sir, the file name of public key is also same as private key?
Here available ones. ID, ED 25519. Yes, it is the same, but do you know the extensions are different?
Yes.
Okay,
Sir.
like that. So now, what it is telling?
One could be eavesdropping on you, right?
What it is it possible that someone is doing something nasty? Someone could be what?
Not given password.
It is so host key verification failed. Am I doing any mistake and so on? 1 minute.
Sir,
One
extension you need to give. You need to
Yes,
give
sir, I
extension.
One
think
minute, one minute, one minute, one minute.
But we did not give the public key in the instance, right? Sir?
Sir, right click on that particular machine, file and check that properties.
.rsp, I think so.
Public
No,
key we
no,
did
no.
not configure, right, sir?
Public key already provided, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, dosto. Public key already provided, right?
In the cloud, I think you did not configure it. In the
1 minute, 1 minute. Warning, remote host identification as a changer. It's possible that someone is doing something nasty. What nasty? 1 minute. Am I in the same location?
Sir, sometimes some caching is a problem. So suppose you can go to that known host. See Nagore,
Try to
delete that.
download the latest.
Let write up this message.
Key,
Right?
key and
delete that, sir. Delete that. Just go there. Delete that host, known host.
No, to get rid of this message. No, to 3.
Because sometimes maybe the same IP. I also use generally. Dot.
SSH.
Yes. No.
Delete these both, sir.
No, sir. Open that file, sir.
Which one?
Delete this, sir. One we can just check this.
Yeah.
Delete this and right.
Oh, known host.
Because it will be saved whenever we say known host is equal to yes, right? Maybe we can just try
Or
this.
we can keep those files under this location, so maybe it will take from here.
You delete, sir. I think maybe.
Just the cache. 1 minute. We will do that.
You can close the terminal, right?
Now this folder we have. This is the folder, right?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. That right click that file name we will check anyway. Matter of 1 minute.
With extension, sir.
SSH-I
IP address.
12 @
Sir, file name with extension.
File name
with extension.
Not required. What is the IP address? Yes. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Like, yes. What is the password it is asking? Have you observed, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's asking for password. Okay. What I will do is where is the password is available? Have you remembered, right? Here is the password there, right?
Yeah.
So, Ubuntu is the username and password is here. If you want, you can see that. Let me copy. Okay, just I copy. Here, let me right click. Okay, it's not going to be visible, dosto. It's not going to be visible. Enter. Yes. It came or not? Connected or not?
Connected, sir. Connected. Dollar.
Yes, dollar symbol is coming means is it connected, right?
Connected.
Yes.
Okay, that's all. So this is what you have to aware. So up to this, what activity we did when we created a virtual machine.
So, sir, at last you pasted that key, right? That password.
Password I pasted. Enter the password means password, but it won't display here. Just right click. That's it. And then enter because security concerns. Getting right? Yeah. Yes. Now up to this, what we did, we created virtual machine instance, VM instance, and from my laptop, I'm in a position to connect to that remote virtual machine.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Up to this? Okay. So if you are having any doubts, let me. Okay, practically, sir, I don't know. Some people are telling we require to create VM instances in the cloud. Okay, like next how to connect. Some we don't know about this. What is the purpose of SSH? There are these type of nightmares are there for most of the people. Now the things got clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the next, I will explain about what is the steps, which steps are required for the remaining. What are the remaining steps? Can you please Imagine what may be the remaining steps.
Download
Downloading Ollama.
Download Ollama.
Ollama.
Install that Ollama. Okay.
And then need to
Under
pull
then,
the
what we
Model.
require to do is
AI
model.
model down.
AI model.
Download AI model. Pull AI
and
model.
then
And then run AI
we have to
model.
create a
Next
Docker container.
some GP, what we call UI purpose. UI purpose. Make sure open, what we call open web UI. Open web UI. You require to download and install. Make it available. Make it available. Next up, Ollama and the Docker. These two things should be in a position to connect up. Okay. Of course, that architecture I will explain. Those steps I'm going to take care. Don't worry. As of today, just we created one virtual instance from our local computer. We are in a position to connect. Any doubt?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I stop this server instance?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I have one doubt. Why we deleted that known host files? Can
Because
anyone-
cache. Earlier I used right. Earlier I connected with some other credentials, SSH credentials, right? Maybe
Okay.
that's cache. Whatever the things are there, I remove. Okay. Now what I will do is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes,
actually, the file names were identical for public key and private key. So, how did it differentiate it? Because we didn't provided any extension in the command prompt.
No, it is there in the public key. .pub is there.
Yeah.
And you can see in the icon also when you save,
Yeah.
right? When you unzip, P is there. You can show the second one.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the P. That is in pub and remaining one private.
Here we are using -, right? Okay, -I option we are using. Plus whenever we are selecting that, usually SSH from the terminal, which thing is going to be, which thing we require to pass, public or private?
Private.
It is going to select. Don't worry. Okay, the first one only. Okay, maybe file extension. Here
Yes,
is
sir.
any
That
file
is,
extension.
sir, whenever
Where
it
you
created,
provided public keys?
it is there, pub is there, sir. So it is generated like a ID ED 25519, okay, pub. And then the private is this one. So now you can see icon also. There is a P is there, right, in the public icon, that small icon. Yeah. Go there. Yeah,
this
P.
one, this
that
one
means yes, pub.
Okay.
Actually, my question was like we didn't provided any extension in that command prompt.
Yeah,
we didn't provide. We asked that, and ChatGPT has given separate.
No, not that. While connecting, here we use one command, right? Have you observed?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
that was my
He is asking the question. Is this one?
Okay.
correct.
Okay. Here from this file. Okay. Just we will. Okay. Getting right?
Yes, sir. That
Yes,
is
sir,
the
actually
Yeah,
file name is not
internally,
same.
internally. So there is a .pub extension is already there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember this.
It is there in public
Yes.
key.
Yes. That's why it is by default considered only private key only.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, what is -I in that command you given? -I means
SSH one option. What is the significance of that?
-I.
1 minute.
What I guess.
Identifying, sir, I guess.
It is already
will
there, sir, in
check.
the last line.
Is
Above
it
is
there?
already there. Yeah, means it's
SSH is
a
private key to
private key.
provide
ID.
identity maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
I means identity file.
Yeah.
Okay.
-I identity file.
Okay.
So
Getting
where
right?
we provided public key?
Public key already we provided at the time of VM creation, right?
Durga pub in the virtual machine. You need
Virtual
to give
mission.
public key,
Whenever
right?
we are creating VM instance, already public key information we provided, right? You forgot it since.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The
I will.
virtual machine.
Tomorrow also we will create one more. Then you will get more clarity. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
I will
sir,
repeat
now
all
what
these
you
steps tomorrow, and then the remaining steps I will show, so that your AI model, until AI model running and getting the response, we will complete by tomorrow.
Okay.
don't forget to terminate, sir.
Sir, this
Already stopped,
yes.
but I will delete, because tomorrow freshly we will create. 1
So,
minute man, save
sir,
save.
if we stop only in 15 minutes, then also $2.19 will be charged.
If we
Yes.
If we stop in 15 minutes, then
for
also
15, no, for 15 minutes cost only, it's going to be calculated.
No, sir. No, sir. It is like irrespective of how much you use within 1 hour, it is $2.
Oh,
AWS also similar way.
So for default 5 minutes also,
Yes.
if I
5
use
minutes
5 minutes also,
also,
it will
be it's like 0 to 1 hour. That is
Can
the
you
charge.
ask ChatGPT, sir? Can you ask Chat?
Sir, when you turn off, it pop up like you charged fully.
Okay.
You didn't see that.
Yes.
That concept is same for all
Yeah.
cloud providers.
Okay. Yeah.
And you can
Can
see
I delete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you can see the pricing also, sir.
1 minute. In instance name so and so, in instance ID selected, delete and virtual machine manner.
You can check the billing also, sir.
As deleted. Okay. That's all, friends. This is about how you can create instance, how to connect. Up to that, okay. No doubt at all, right?
Sir, you have downloaded the image called Docker container. So the further class you're going to configure Docker again to communicate OpenAI.
Docker is already, those steps I'm going to discuss. Don't worry.
Okay.
How we can make those steps I will explain one by one. But anyway, all those configurations. Okay. So this is about my requirement. Like if we can ask the cloud admin, that person is going to take care of all those steps. Okay. Usually, that is not our job, but anyway, I will show all those steps one by one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's all, friends. So tomorrow I will share with you people what is the what things must be required and so on. So I will show the remaining part so that we can complete. Okay. Any notes is required to share with you people about this?
Now, tomorrow you can create well, sir. You can create tomorrow step by step.
Tomorrow,
then
sir.
we can-
Tomorrow.
Then the final steps, please share, sir, after that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. So how to connect with virtual machine and then downloading things. That all
Sure. One file I will share with you
tomorrow will
people
be
tomorrow.
finalized. This.
Yes.
So is there any other environment like master compute?
Master compute is one. Maybe alternatives will be there, Babu sir. Just check with the ChatGPT. Is there any other alternative like master GPT?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet
Thank
for
you,
the
sir.
continuation
Good
part.
night.
Yeah.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Right.
Good night.